right, so today we're doing a quick review of these interior mount blinds. Now you can also get these as exterior mounts, but we wanted to go them inside our window well. And the nice thing about these blinds is you don't need to pull the cord or anything. It just goes wherever you want it to. So as you pull it down, it just stays down, which is really nice. You see that it blocks out the light really well, and you can match this to your room as there are different colors for the blinds. Now, if I want to go back up, I can simply pull it up. You don't like pull it down and it zips up. You simply just lift it up and it folds right in. So, and you see the mount here. It's really nice how it goes flush with the wall. These blinds are really smooth. The installation doesn't take long at all, so let me just walk you through that really quick. All right, so to get started, you need the actual shade. You have to decide if you want to do an interior mount, so it just comes down flush, or if you want an exterior mount, so it comes across the top. We're gonna do an interior mount today. Now, it comes with all the pieces that you need for that. The awls, the screws, the mounting brackets. What you do need is a measuring tape, a screwdriver, electric screwdriver if you have one with a Phillips, flathead, some drill bits, and a pencil. Okay, so to determine where you want to put your holes, you take the mounting bracket. This is the front of the blinds, and you just put it wherever you want it. We're gonna just go a little bit out, and then you just push this down in, and as you push it in, it will snap down. Then you've got this hole right here is where you want to drill up on top. So we're gonna measure from the front of the blinds back to here, and then from here to here, that's where we're gonna put our hole up here. So I'm gonna go 8 inches in and 2 inches deep. So after you've measured, you wanna measure in on your interior mount and just put the X there. So I've done that on both sides. Then you wanna pre-drill a hole. So just bring your own drill. Augers, put it into the hole and mallet it in. So then you just put your screw onto the mounting bracket, get a Phillips head screwdriver, and screw it in. All right, once you have your mounting bracket in, you should be able to just slip this in, and then it's gonna start at the front. So we push that in, and then it will click. Like that. There you go. And now we have blinds. So again, really easy to install, great looking blinds. This is something that you definitely want to check out.